Okay, you guys. Oh my god. Look what I found, guys. The brand new 50th anniversary 124 scale Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Bigfoot. Oh my god. I found this at Walmart. The last one. I'm the first on YouTube to unbox it. I haven't seen anyone unbox it. I'm the first one. There's Bigfoot 50th. Look at how beautiful that is. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that color. Oversized Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. Oh, the back is so nice as well. Some nice models. Volkswagen Beetle. I forgot the name of that one. Rhinomite, which I want to get next. And of course, the beautiful, amazing 50th Bigfoot. No, we know a normal box. And let's go ahead and open this bad boy and see what it looks like in hand. This is an in-hand video, guys. Oh, look at this beauty. Oh my god. That's different. Look at this. Oh my god. Like, look at this. Bigfoot, guys. 50th anniversary. The official one. Metal, of course. And it smells like fresh paint because I opened it right now. 50th anniversary, guys. Chrome bumper. The little motors. But I love that gold windshield. You can never go wrong with the gold windshield. The nice metal fake blue paint, which is really cool. 50 Bigfoot right there. The gold motor insert. Black roll cage insert, I mean. Gold rims and beadlocks. Black tires. Oh man, this is such an amazing truck, guys. It says Bigfoot Summit Hot Wheels 50 on the back. Sorry, guys. If you find this, guys, pick it up because I recommend this awesome Bigfoot. This one is my favorite one by far. Nice color scheme and all that. So that's all I got today, guys. Well, I got this yesterday. I was with my grandma's house, so I came back to my house to record it here. Alright, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful in-hand look of the 50th Bigfoot. Peace out, guys.